Oh, you're kidding me. I just realised I've got to get some Go-Go juice. God damn it. Go-Go Power Rangers. Gotta get some Go-Go juice for my Power Ranger powers. There's my favourite Go-Go juice. That is what I'm talking about. Yeah. What did he say? I think he just called me a noisy fucker. That's not very nice. Plus, this is nowhere near noisy. If you want noisy, I'll show you noisy. I've read one right next to your ear. Terribly noisy. But I'm not a dick like that. Sometimes. No comment. Oh my god. Oh, pardon me. It was not me, it wasn't my food. Go and get the puppy. Sound like I shit myself. Let's lock you up. Lock you up and take me down. Doodle-doodle-doo. Merry Christmas, guys. Okay, don't say Merry Christmas. So rude. Last time I say Merry Christmas to you, you're not my friend anymore. Right, I'm all full. Time for Betty Boys. Time for Betty Boys with my blankie. Have a wanky with my blankie. No, sorry, that's very inappropriate.